Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Lacoste watch. I've done the green variant of this one today, but I'm going to have a look at the white one. So yeah, let's have an initial look at the outside box. Simple Lacoste jet white style glossy finish over the top here. Very sort of simple finishing really. Yeah, let's have a look inside. It's quite lightweight as well. Housed in a nice blue cushion. So here we go guys, this is the Lacoste 12.12 42mm with a 9.8mm case thickness, retails at £50, probably weighs around about 50 grams or so, and uses a quartz movement. So let's have a little watch here. So you've got a TR90 thermoplastic casing and dial. The dial's got a little bit of a square finish on the outside face here. There's no luminous increments or anything like that. They're actually engraved in the actual face. As you can see here, they're nice holes dug out of the face here, with no luminous hands or luminous second hand, but a nice bit of green detailing and green detailing on the hands with the green crocodile as well. Yeah, the whole watch essentially is made of plastic. Including the casing and stuff like that. Speaking of the casing, this is a better view of the casing here. It's full sort of glossy finish on the outside here. Get 5 atmospheric waterproofness with this watch. Again, standard sort of stuff really. A very strong movement to the actual hands. Get a very good amount of feedback for it, so there's decent quality in the crown there. And you get a very nice push down as well. So there's nothing wrong with the crown in my mind. Only thing that does bug me is just the fact that the second hand doesn't quite line up with the increments as it goes around. As you can see, that part jumped past it. But yeah, don't think about that too much, because you guys will be overthinking that too much otherwise. So coming out to the strap, you've got a silicone style strap. Didn't tell me the width, but I can tell you that now, what that is. It's a 20mm style silicone style strap. Got a nice sort of textured feel on the side there, makes it feel quite nice. Adds a nice bit of feedback to it. I quite like that actually. It's better than the usual silicone flat finish. Single holes hold the strap in place. Definitely is a very different watch. You can say that, pure white. Nice Lacoste back plate, as you can see here. A full screw down back plate. Let's look at the buckle. Buckle is housed in a very nice pin as well. There's decent quality on that pin. You've got 2 holders for the strap to sit in, both free roam. Often you get one that's fixed in place. That's usually on leather straps, but these two are fully free roam, as you can see here. Got a nice textured feel on the back of the strap. This is probably going to feel quite nice on the wrist when you're actually wearing it. And so yeah, that's really all there is really to talk about it. Really, there's not a lot on the watch. So there we go guys, that is the Lacoste 12.12.